How Stoicism turns setbacks into superpowers. Imagine this. You're strolling through ancient Athens, 24 centuries ago, dodging toga-clad philosophers left and right. You might bump into Zeno of Citium. Poor guy was a Phoenician merchant until a shipwreck turned his finances into fish food. He lands in Athens, walks into a bookstore, reads about Socrates, and asks the bookseller, "Where can I find one of these philosopher dudes?" The bookseller points, "Right there, that cynic with the questionable hygiene, crates." Zeno becomes his student, studies with others, and eventually founds Stoicism, a philosophy that thrives in the open market, not ivory towers. Philosophers, they like to keep it real. Stoicism spread fast, producing heavyweights like Seneca, a playwright who influenced Shakespeare, and Marcus Aurelius, the king philosopher who wrote Meditations. Fun fact, the Stoics also appealed to Roman women. Portia Catonis, daughter of Caesar's nemesis and wife of his assassin, lived Stoicism daily. Talk about needing a coping strategy. So what's Stoicism all about? First, live according to nature. Don't worry, this doesn't mean hugging trees naked. It's about embracing human nature, being social and rational, well, rational-ish. Stoics believed the good life meant using reason to improve society. Two pillars anchor Stoicism. The four cardinal virtues. Practical wisdom, knowing what's good for you. Courage, doing the right thing even if it's awkward. Justice, treating people right, and temperance, not binging on Netflix or ancient wine. The dichotomy of control. Some things are in your control, like your attitude, and some aren't, like the weather or your neighbor's awful flute playing. Worry about the first, ignore the rest. Epictetus, a former slave turned Stoic rock star, kept it real. You'll die someday. If not today, eat lunch and worry about dying later. For Epictetus, life was about controlling your response to what happens. He said, "Want serenity? Focus on your intentions, not outcomes. Aim at the target, but don't stress if the wind blows your arrow off course." In modern terms, don't lose sleep over that job promotion or a crush who ghosted you. Prepare well, be your best self, and let the chips or arrows fall where they may. Stoics played roles in life with integrity. Epictetus quipped, "Don't sell your integrity cheap. It's all you've got." Life's not about perfection, it's about progress. Be a little better than yesterday, because honestly, who needs the stress of aiming for flawless? Stoicism is timeless. Whether you're navigating ancient Athens or today's chaotic world, its lessons still apply. Live well, aim true, and for the love of Zeno, don't sweat the uncontrollable stuff. If you like our content, please like, subscribe, and comment. We read every comment and we listen to your ideas. Peace.